Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, yet again to another video. I know it's been a little while. I have other footage and stuff. I just don't find it as worthy to post, but I might just put it out anyway. But I am home. I am in Yuma. I've been in Yuma actually for the past few days, and these past few days I've been helping my buddy CJ, aka Desert Bassin. This guy right here, record a little Yuma series. I don't know if it's gonna be one video or if it's gonna be a couple videos, but I did help him record. I didn't record anything. I just took him out to the river, took him out to Mitri, took him out to several locations out here in Yuma, and kind of just was hunting for big fish. So, oh, excuse me. I'm really excited about that, and he's gonna be dropping those videos, and I'll probably repost them or something. So follow my Instagram. The link's down in the description below, so that way you guys can kind of keep up to date. It's super cool, guys. It's gonna be super good. We put some time and effort into this one, but I just wanted to share Yuma through like another creator's perspective, through his lens, you know. But aside from that, today is Thursday. There's a little tournament at Mitri starting here at 3:30. So I will be attending that. I don't know how it's gonna go. I mean, we went to Mitri. I know kind of what the fish are doing. I know what they're biting. I know where they're at. But you know, Mitri's constantly changing every day as well, kind of like the river system. So sometimes they could be on, sometimes they could be off. But I'm gonna do what I know. I'm gonna do what I've learned out there. Here's 4 baits that I'm gonna have tied on out there, guys, that I think are gonna be real key. One, I got this little frog, a little spro frog. It's a little, I forget the name. It's a really cool name for this frog. It's like a mud putty color. And then I got a chatter chicken over here with a little cheater, a trailer, little chartreuse color right there. And then I have my lipless crankbait. Can't go wrong with that one. And then I got the cheater, man. That's fishing for my kicker fish out there. So yeah, it should be pretty fun. Hopefully, you know, my goal is to catch fish. I'm gonna start off with the chatterbait and the lipless just to try to get 3 fish, since it is a 3 fish limit. And then after that, I'm gonna go hunting for some bigger fish, you know, with the frog and the topwater swim bait, the cheater over there. And hopefully we can smack a big one and put him in the boat, and then hopefully we can win this little tournament. That'd be really cool. Hopefully, another hopefully is that I hope they let me fish it, because I don't have an outboard motor. I only have the trolling motor, but my live well is gonna work really good. This is actually all homemade right here. I just got to connect this one little hose, but I am waiting for this to dry a little bit better. This was all like kind of last minute too. So we'll see what happens, guys. I'm gonna get the rest of the boat hooked up to the truck. We're gonna go out there. We're gonna try to slay some giants, try to win some money, and try to give you guys a few pointers and tips, because Mitri's really good right now, and I'm trying to take advantage of that window. And I'm really hoping that this overcast skies and a little bit that breeze is important to really get the fish activated and biting. But other than that, we'll see what happens. And if they do let me fish it, then I'll be able to launch in the back of Mitri and then troll from there. So all I got to do is ask. If they say no, then no. But they're pretty cool usually. Yuma peeps are pretty cool. We'll see what happens. And it's all going to be recorded too, so if there's any discrepancies, feel free to watch all of the footage. Without further ado, guys, let's get into today's video. Let's go out there, let's have some fun, let's catch some fish, and let's win this thing, boys and girls. Let's get to it. Here we go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I am here at the boat ramp. The dudes were really cool and they let me launch back here. And just to show you guys, in case you guys are all watching, my live well is empty. So can't say that I'm cheating or nothing, because, you know, I respect the rules, man. I respect the rules, and I like a fair competition, and I think it's super cool that, you know, they're letting me launch back here. So I got all my stuff ready. It's 3:18 right now, and I'm just kind of documenting it, so that way if anyone gets mad, I got to get the boat unstrapped and everything, and then we are gooch to go, boys and girls. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have you guys on here, and then when I hear that first boat take off, I'm gonna take off, just start trolling, you know. But other than that, get ready, everyone. Here's Lake Mitri. We got some cloudy skies, we got some wind. I'm feeling really good about this one. I'm gonna go in a little bit confident this one, because we've been fishing the crap out of Mitri the last couple of days, and I say me and Desert Bassin, me and CJ, and we done pretty good. We caught fish every time we came, so yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna stop talking, guys. I'm really excited, and I'm gonna get to it. Here we go. Stay tuned. Here's Chesty. All right, man. Let's drop this thing in and let's just kind of troll for a second. Take it to the main channel, fill up my live well, man. I'll test her out. I didn't even test it because I had to just wing it, man. Just come out here and start going, man. Make a little brewski. Let's see her in the beta. All right, peeps, time to fill up the liver well. Time to test her out. All right, there's my live well. Since I caulked that, you know, there could be a little bit of chemical in the water the fish don't like. G-juice, man, just removes things from the water. As soon as I hear a boat come, I'll pick up a rod. It is, you guys can see it there, it is 3:31. Right, so they've been smacking the chatter chicken recently, so I'm gonna try to get 3 fish with this thing. All right, you seen that? 3:31, I picked up a rod. I can't travel too far either, but there's one channel that I really wanna fish. I'll probably fish it the whole time, just back and forth, just because I have to go to weigh in earlier than everybody because everyone can just speed there. I gotta troll to the back ramp, load the boat, get the boat hooked up, and go back to the front boat ramp and then weigh in my fish. And by that time, you know, I'm losing like an hour of fishing. So every bite literally counts right now that I get. Hopefully, you know, the outcome is a dub in the end, man. Yeah. Oh shit, I got a big one, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's good. Stay on, sir. Oh, it's a pig in there. Oh, it's a really, really big fish. Oh, gosh. Heck yes, son. First fish of the day. Solid 4-pounder, man. He's just kicking it right over there. Look at that. Yes, sir. Just keep him alive now. Chilling right underneath that bird, man. Oh my gosh, it's really big actually. Made it to our first spot. I've caught 1 fish, people already in the first 30 minutes, man, which is good. Makes me feel good. Alright, peeps, I'm still searching, man. I'm trying to cover water, hover over the grass line. Don't miss Piggy to come out and bite. This is a winner takes all kind of deal. It's a little turkey shoot. It's nothing like serious. It's all for shits and giggles, but I'm trying to win, bro. Here's the fun part about recording it. Trying to fish a tournament and everything real quick. All right, one more cast with this and toss a frog around, see if we can't pull anything out from inside the cover. Ooh. Land on you, piece of shit. I see 13. iPhone, I think, is like 6. That one was coming off of a grass pad. He hit it right away as soon as it came off. I hope that's 13 inches. I want to say it's 13, but it's hard to tell, man. I think iPhones are like 6.5, so he's longer than the iPhone twice. All right, people, it is right now 5:02. I have 2 fish. One's maybe a keeper, the other one's pretty decent. All right, guys, I don't know how much of what was on video. I just barely looked at my GoPro right now, and it said file repairing. So I don't know what all you guys saw, but I got 1 fish on a chatterbait, 1 on a frog. That's about the only bites I've gotten. The wind died, we still got clouds. The frog bite is not there, to be completely honest. It is 5:43. I have 2 hours until weigh-in. Stay on, buddy. Oh, yes. That's a good one. Oh, shit. Oh. Hell yes, son. Oh, you choked it. Yeah, baby. I literally was just like, fuck it, I'm gonna tie on the frog. Oh my gosh, just annihilated. Oh, my heart is thumping. I didn't think I was gonna get that fish, man. Woo-hoo. These ones are gonna be pissed when I put this one in there. Yeah, buddy. Let him fight for a little second. Oh man, dude, the heart is thumping. The heart is thumping right now, man. One more like that and we'll be sitting very, very solid. This so that way they don't open the live well, because they'll do that. I've had it happen before. Oh, fuck, bro. I think I just broke my thumb or popped it out. Ah, I didn't like that. I didn't like that. Oh. Ugh. Oh my gosh, that hurts so bad, bro. I literally popped my thumb out of its socket back in. I heard it go. Ugh, that's nasty, man. Oh, my thumb hurts like a mother trucker right now, dude. That shit hurts so bad. Take this full of ice real quick. Oh no, we got one. Ah. Fish dying, peeps. It's time to go. Ah, this sucks. I wonder why that one's dying, the other one wasn't. It's been there way longer. It doesn't make sense. Fish might die, people, but they're not gonna go to waste. I know my grandpa wanted some fishies, but I'm racing back to the truck. I'm gonna go there and weigh the fish and see if I can put them back in the water as fast as I can. If they do end up dying, they won't go to waste. My grandpa's been wanting one, so you guys know that man will eat them. That's just the way the game goes, you know. I'll see you guys at the boat ramp. All right, and right about now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am like 20 minutes early at the boat ramp just because my fish are like on the edge of survival, like the edge of death right now. They are alive. They don't look good, but they are alive, and I want to weigh them alive so that way I don't get docked any weight. I raced down here and freaking made it, and I don't know if I lost anything in the boat. I'll weigh in first, and I'll see if those fish will swim away. If not, then they're gonna go on the ice chest right there, and they're gonna be lunch for my grandpa. So it's close. It's close. We'll see what happens. I think it's gonna be interesting. I know a lot of people caught big fish, so I just want to weigh mine in too. So I'm just gonna wait, and then I'll bust out the camera or the chesty, whichever one, just depending on the light and stuff when they get back. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll talk to you guys here in a bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I totally forgot to end yesterday's video, but it was a little fun turkey shoot. There was 15 boats out there. There's a 3 fish limit. It was like a 4-hour kind of deal. So I caught 3 fish that weighed in a total of 10 pounds and 88 ounces. So that was good enough for second place, I believe. From what I seen, first place was 14 pounds. So out of 15 boats on my little boat with just a trolling motor, I would say that's pretty legit. I got 2 5-pounders and like a little rat. Couldn't replace the little rat. I had the bites, but they just completely missed the frog. And then after that, the bite just completely shut down, and then plus I had to race back to the boat ramp and then make it back pretty much. So it was pretty fun. I had a good time out there. We're gonna go back to Mitri right now. You know, I'll start that video for the next one. But yeah, thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tournament video. I haven't done one in a long time, and other than that, I hope the wind picks up here in a second. Thank you guys all for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button. And leave a comment, people. Leave a freaking comment. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, homies. We're going fishing. Let's get it. Have a good one. Fish on. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive. And wash your hands. Dirty world out there. Peace out, Girl Scouts.